Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm comparing AVAHR and Multiplier. But once see what I want to know, I want to answer a question that was asked. AVAHR and Multiplier, which is the best? So let's find out. We're going to title this the HR Tech Showdown You Didn't Know You Needed, because managing humans shouldn't require a PhD in chaos theory. Let's face it, HR is like herding cats while blindfolded. You need tools that don't make you question your life choices. Enter AVAHR, which is your AI HR assistant. Also Multiplier, which is the global payroll wizard. But which one is best for you? Let's break it down. With jokes, of course, because HR is already stressful enough. My level of humor might seem weird to some people, but I think I have the other people out there that, that will understand me. Let's move on. AVAHR versus Multiplier, the ultimate HR SmackDown. When it comes to hiring category, AVAHR, working on the robot recruiter, screens resume faster than you can say nepotism. And Multiplier, which is also known as the global payroll ninja, only cares about payroll, not your bad hires. So, best for you if you recruit like a reality TV show. Then you just use AVAHR. Moving on to global teams. Do not use AVAHR if you're for international hiring. Just ask Multiplier. Because Multiplier hires in about 150 plus countries while UNAP. So it is best for you if your team is more global than a Starbucks menu. When it comes to payroll, do not use AVAHR, but that is not its job. But instead use Multiplier that handles taxes, benefits, and compliance like a boss. So it is best for you if you've cried over foreign tax forms before. When it comes to automation, use AVAHR because it schedules interviews and rejects candidates and judges silently. You can also decide to use Multiplier because it automates everything except your essential HR crisis. So it is best for you if you rather automate than communicate, then use both. Either of the two will do the job for you. Let's go to pricing. When it comes to pricing, you can use AVAHR because it's budget friendly, unlike your office snack habits. Do not use Multiplier because the enterprise pricing is like selling a kidney. So it's best for you if you are cheap but in a professional way. Let's move on to weird flex. You see, AVAHR is an AI that reads vibes, also known as rejects your cousin's resume because of bad vibes. Why Multiplier explains labor laws using memes, finally. So if you appreciate humor in dark times, use Multiplier. What I find out verdict, which one should you choose? But pick AVAHR if you hire faster than a dating app swiper. Also pick AVAHR if you want AI to judge candidates so you don't have to. And if your HR strategy is just vibes and coffee, also choose AVAHR. Now pick Multiplier if your team spends more time. If your team spans more time zones than your sanity. Also pick Multiplier if your payroll taxes haunt your dreams. Choose Multiplier if you enjoy saying we are compliant in 42 countries at parties, of course. So in essence, AVAHR equals to your overworked HR intern, but it's a robot. While Multiplier equals to the scary smart accountant who knows offshore tax havens. So using both might make you obsolete. So proceed with caution or just let the robots win. If you are still unsure, ask yourself, do I need to hire fast or pay globally? Do I need to hire fast or pay globally? Do I actually enjoy paperwork or memes? Will the robots eventually replace me? The answer is yes. Now go forth and HR like a pro, or just let the AI do it for you while you pretend it was you. Hope you found this video helpful.